Okay, this is the Maytag commercial washer. I've had it for 5 years. It's been nothing but trouble. And this time we have a new problem for this washing machine. It's about 5 years old and it's had problems. As you can see, a piece of cloth is stuck between that little groove down there on the bottom. And from what I could tell, you take this cap off and you should be able to turn that bolt counterclockwise in that hole down there. And I would use, like, you could see that the cloth is, there's a lot of cloth in here. I don't know how I got in that little crack, but I'll show you basically how I got this out.
This is what was in there. Can you believe that? It was in that little crack down there somehow. I pulled it out. I wound up pulling it out because I couldn't get that stupid screw out of there. I even put vinegar down there and maybe loosen it up a little bit. I used a hammer drill, and this is what came out. This giant piece of fabric was in there. I don't know if I got it all, but it looks pretty good from here. Just don't buy a Maytag. This is what you get when you buy a Maytag. You get stupid things like this, and then you can't even get the stupid thing off. So I used my hammer drill with that long extension and an 11 millimeter, and I torqued that nut down, that bolt down there to the left counterclockwise. It didn't come out, but it allowed this to spin really fast, and then the cloth got together from the two sections and I was able to pull it out. I don't know, I just got really lucky. It appears to be totally fine, but coins get stuck in this little crack. I don't know how that towel got in that little crack. Look how small that crack is. But I used my hammer drill and it seems to be fine. I'm going to test it out. Just a Maytag. This Maytag has been nothing but trouble since 2 years since we owned it. Now it's about 4 years. Barely got it to work here. Remember this when I fixed this? But now I had a towel stuck in the crack down there. Got it out.